The Tortoise and the Bird. Once upon a time, in the jungle, there lived a tortoise. One day, the tortoise came to rest under a tree where birds had built their nests on a hot and humid summer afternoon. He looked up the tree and saw a bird's nest perched on a tree branch above him. The tortoise began teasing the bird for the shabby, frail nest she had constructed of twigs and sticks. "What a dull home you have," the tortoise mockingly said to the bird. "It is made of broken sticks and has no roof," he continued. "Moreover, it appears to be in a poor condition. Worse yet, you had to build it yourself. I believe my house, which is my shell, is far superior to your pitiful house." The tortoise boasted about how much stronger and better his shell was. The bird, on the other hand, was unconcerned. "Yes, it's made of broken sticks, has a rugged appearance, and is exposed. It's simple, but I built it, and I like it," the bird chirped. The tortoise continued to brag about his shell. "I suppose it's just like any other nest, not as good and beautiful as mine," the tortoise observed. "You must, nonetheless, be envious of my shell," he chattered. The bird replied, "My nest may be small, however, it can accommodate my entire family," the bird exclaimed excitedly, fed up with the tortoise boasting. "On the contrary, your shell is only big enough for you, and lonely because it only holds you. Perhaps you live in a nicer house, but I have a better home." When the tortoise heard this, he felt bad about this arrogant and disputatious behavior towards the bird, and realized his mistake. Unlike his large shell, the bird's habitat was small but full. He walked away. His head hung low in shame. The moral of the story? We'd rather be poor and happy in the company of our family than a wealthy and alone in a huge mansion. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.